Here I'm showing off what the engine is capable of doing. Here you can see terrain generation in action. Here I'm changing the persistence value, which has an effect on how coherent the terrain is. Global normalize amplifier, which affects the terrain height. Lacunarity has an effect on how jagged the edges are of the terrain. Offset changes where the sample center is drawn from. You can multiply the height of the terrain, so you can create very low hills or very extreme hills. Changing the seed actually changes basically how the entire terrain itself is generated, but it also gives control over being able to generate the same terrain if you so please. And the height curve is a multiplication of the height that happens at the end, so that you can create very extreme terrains. Here, as you can see, I was drawing the terrain all the way to the back and to the forward, and so it's actually looking at where the player is in the world, and as the player moves around, the whole terrain generates around them, allowing them to explore endlessly in a single direction.